Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my updated nail care routine, but before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss new videos every single week. I talk a lot about cruelty-free beauty here on my channel. You can also find me on social media. My links will be in the description box. So if you want to see how I maintain my long natural nails, then keep on watching and let's get into this video. Alright, so the first step I'm going to do is remove my nail polish. My favorite nail polish remover of all time is from Zoya. I love it. It's an amazing formula. You can use this to remove your polish. You can also use this to prep the nail before doing a fresh manicure. So I just love it. It's amazing. And I thought I would show you my favorite cotton squares. These are from Meyer. I love them because they're quilted along the sides and they're also lint free. And I love this little pocket on the back. They're just so easy to use. So I'm just going to take my remover and make sure to clean and remove all of that polish, get it all off, and make sure my nails are nice and clean. After I've removed all the polish, I just washed my hands really well with soap and water. This one is from Mrs. Meyer's. I definitely recommend it if you can find it. It's really good and gentle on the skin. So here's what my nails look like with no polish on. They've been doing really well, and I really enjoy this sort of oval almond shape right now. So moving on to grooming, I'm just going to take some nail clippers and clip away any sort of dead skin or hangnails. I really didn't have to do a whole lot today. I do try to take really good care of my cuticles and skin so that I don't have to cut too much off. So to clean underneath my nails, this is just a cuticle pusher, and I just really like to use it to remove any excess product underneath my nails because I do apply my top and base coat underneath. So once they're nice and clean, I like to file them. My favorite nail filer is a glass one. You guys have probably seen this in my other videos, but it's amazing. It's super smooth. It's gentle on natural nails, and I love it. So I'm just going from side to side very gently. I'm really not taking off any length today. I just want to smooth the edges so I don't get any tears or snag my nails on any of my clothing. So I'm just smoothing out the sides, making sure to double check that they're nice and smooth. After that, I'm going to go ahead and add some moisture back into my skin, and I'm going to use this oil here. You can use any oil you want to, but this actually broke my skin out. It's actually a facial oil, so a great way to use products you're not using. You can fill up an empty glass bottle, repurpose it, and use it as a cuticle oil. Another one I really love, this one is super affordable. It's a shea nut oil. I will link everything below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. But this one is great. Again, I'll probably just end up using this up and refilling the bottle that I already have here. So I'm just using a little eyedropper, dropping a few little drops of oil and just massaging that into my skin, underneath my nails, just really letting that soak in. And I'm just wanting to soften my cuticles so that when I push them back, it's not going to cause any damage and it's not going to hurt. So after about 10 minutes, I'll go ahead and push my cuticles back. I have a plastic one and also a wooden one. It really just depends on what I'm doing. I decided to go with the plastic one today, and so I'm just going to gently push my cuticles back. So after that, I will go ahead and wash the oil off my hands and then prep my nails with the Zoya Remove Plus. Once again, this is amazing to prep the nail before your base coat. So I do this every time, and I completely forgot to show you on camera. Alright, so now our nails are prepped and ready to go. I'm going to show you some of my favorite base coats and nail strengtheners. So these two are from Ella and Mila. So I will go in with the nail strengthener first and then the base coat over top. These products are amazing. They really do keep my manicure looking fresh, my nails feeling strong. Today I'm actually going to use something different. This is from Orally. I've been really loving this product as of recently. This is a nail strengthener and a base coat all in one. So I'm just going to go in with a nice even coat on top, paint underneath my nails, yes, and making sure to cap off that free edge, just going along the edge with the brush to seal in that product. This is something I've been doing for a long time. I don't know how else to explain it, but it just works for me personally. I find that my nails are stronger, they're more protected from the elements, from washing my hands so many times a day, and it just works really great. So I'm just going to do this to all of my nails, and I usually like to let this dry really well before moving on to the nail color. So my favorite nail polish brand, if you can't tell, is Zoya. It's just my favorite. The quality is amazing. So I picked the shade Rue. This is a really beautiful neutral pink color. Just a nice nude nail polish, and I absolutely love it. So I just go in with a nice even coat. I like to do a very thin coat first so that it dries a lot faster, and then once again making sure to apply the polish to the nail tips just to cap off that free edge and make sure that I don't have any chipping. I find that when I do this step, it really does make a huge difference in how long my manicure will last. So I'm just going to go through and do this to all of my nails. So after about 10 or 15 minutes, I will check my nails and just make sure they're completely dry and then go in with a second coat. Again, doing the exact same thing, nice, even, thin layers. And again, making sure to cap off that free edge just to seal everything off. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to all of my nails. Again, letting this dry completely before we move on to the next step. So once my nails are completely dry, then we can go ahead and clean everything up. This step is a must-have, and once I started doing it, I can't stop doing it. So I just take a paper towel, fold it in half, and get my brush out. So this is a nail art brush. This is perfect for cleaning up your manicure and removing any sort of nail color that you may have around the skin of your nails. So I'm just using 100% pure acetone remover. This is amazing because it's really going to give you that nice, clean, sharp edge. So I'm just taking my brush, dipping into the acetone, making sure not to apply too much and flood the cuticle, going along the skin, along the cuticle area, and just cleaning up any mistakes that I've made. I can definitely get very sloppy with my nail polish application, so this is a great way to just give you that nice, clean, professional look, and it really does make a difference. Now, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but on the right side, you can tell that it looks just a little bit more crisp, more clean, and on the left side, I haven't done that yet. So just to show you a before and after. And definitely when you're doing a darker color, you can really see the difference. So now to finish everything off, I'm going to use a quick drying top coat. This one is from Seche Vite. I'm going to paint the top of my nails and again underneath to seal in my color to make my manicure last all week long. I find this really just works for me. So again, the top of the nail, underneath the nail, and then making sure to cap off that nail tip just to seal in that color. And I find this polish makes my nails look super shiny. It looks more professional, and it really does help my manicure last and prevent any chipping. So once my nails have completely dried, I like to treat my skin very well with some amazing products. This is hands down my favorite hand cream. It's from Andalou Naturals. It's cruelty free, it's natural, it's not greasy, and I absolutely love it. Of course, throughout the week, I will try to use my nail oil. A new product I really love using is this really thick moisturizer. And it's almost like a thick butter. It's really good for any dry areas you have on your skin, but I love this for my cuticles. I'll just apply a little bit and rub it in really well. Just give my nails a nice massage, and it really helps keep my cuticles softened, moisturized, nourished. I just really love this product. And after that, I'll go ahead and apply my hand cream, and I apply these products at least once a day, usually at night before I go to bed. And usually with hand cream, I will try to apply this throughout the day as well with all the hand washing and whatnot. It really takes a toll on my skin, so a nice massage is always a good idea. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was very highly requested. I will have all the products I used linked in the description box, so make sure to check that out. I love doing my nails at home. My nails have been doing really well, and you really can get that nice salon quality at home. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Make sure you subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other nail videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!